Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Cancer water sign. This is mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Cancer, your recent past. So let's see. Six of Cups, Queen of Swords, Five of Wands. Lot of readings got today this card. Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection. I think there are some issues are going in between in past definitely because Five of Wands and Queen of Swords. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign usually. Definitely there are some. I think one person is very straightforward. If you want to commit to me, commit, otherwise I will cut you, that type. I think there are some harsh communication or something is happening past between both of you. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Cancer. Okay, Three of Swords, separation. One person is very heartbroken. King of Pentacles. Sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience. So King of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. I think one person is heartbroken in this connection, but other person want to offer this long-term commitment to you. They are coming. Knight of Wands. They are rushing towards you. Yes, your person is coming. So I think after the disputes, I think one person is isolated. Then other person want to offer this commitment to you and they want to come towards you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. This person could be anyone, either you or your person. So Cancer, let's see your person near future actions towards you. Abundance, King of Pentacles, 2 times King of Pentacles. Conditioning, devil energy. We are the world, 10 of Pentacles. I think lot of earth energies here. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, your person could be. I think your person is very matured and self-controlled. That's why I think your person also controlling you in this connection. That's why you're feeling very heartbroken. But later, I think this energy will be gone. They want to offer stability to you, 10 of Pentacles. For some, your person right now concentrating on their finance. Definitely career. For some your person want to offer commitment to you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Cancer, patience, 7 of Pentacles, totality 2 times, 5 of Wands. Burden. What's going on? Awareness. Definitely there are issues going between both of you, but Chariot is here. Awareness. This could be long distance relationship also. Your person want to make things right with you. Chariot is a definitely, but it is slow moving. He want to come towards you, but it is very slow. So I think you both obsessed with each other. I think here your person could be Capricorn. Definitely for some your person concentrating on their career. For some your person is coming. Definitely there is some movement, but patience is needed. Definitely patience and balance is needed in this connection because a lot of issues I am seeing here. I think one person has to heal to grow this relationship to next level. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.